In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add horizontal and vertical dividers in WordPress. Dividers are a great way to organize and segment content on your website, making it more user-friendly and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate these dividers into your WordPress site, enhancing its overall look and feel. Let's begin by tackling horizontal dividers. Horizontal dividers are commonly used to break up sections of content or to visually separate different types of information. One of the easiest ways to add a horizontal line is by using the WordPress editor. When you're inside the editor, simply click on the area where you'd like the divider to appear. Then look for the block inserter icon, which looks like a plus sign. From the drop-down, select the Separator option. This will automatically insert a horizontal line into your post or page. You can adjust the style and thickness of the separator by selecting it and making changes in the block settings panel on the right-hand side. These customization options allow you to ensure that the divider complements your site's design. Now, let's move on to adding vertical dividers. Vertical dividers can be a bit trickier since WordPress doesn't offer a straightforward block for this type of divider. However, you can achieve this effect with a simple workaround using columns or custom CSS. First, create a new column within your page by selecting the Columns block from the block inserter. Choose how many columns you want. Once you've set up your columns, you can add a border to one side of a specific column to act as a vertical divider. To do this, click on your desired columns block settings, and look for the Custom CSS option. Here, you can input custom CSS codes such as border right, 1px solid 000 for a simple vertical line. Adjust the color and thickness to match your theme's aesthetics. This method not only adds a vertical divider but also allows for flexibility in designing your page layout. As we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. Always preview your changes before publishing them to ensure everything looks just right on different devices. Consistency is key. Ensure that your dividers are consistent in style and thickness site-wide for a cohesive look. Additionally, if you're looking for more advanced design functionalities, consider using plugins that offer extra styling and design options. These can provide more control and creativity beyond what's available natively in WordPress. Lastly, take the time to familiarize yourself with CSS as it can greatly expand your design capabilities within WordPress. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add both horizontal and vertical dividers to your WordPress site. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles until you find what works best for your website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!